Hi guys, here's part 2 of my Rubik's Cube and puzzle collection. Yay! So let's continue showing this one though. Uh so here's a turning, but when I first unboxed it turned very poorly though. Very poorly. Which I think I have to fix it and a few times though, but I think it's sort of getting better though, but it's so loose that some of these pieces need to be tighter. I need to tighten these corners. I mean the layers though. But I think that's about this one though. And then we've let's continue though. And then we've gotten this 3x3 mirror though, and as you can see, uh, oops, as you can see, the shapes are different, but the stickers are all in the same color though. As you can see it, they're all in all the same color and shape though. And I think that I have, but but not. Let's a bit keep showing everything on this one though. Everything possible and important about this one. The turning is so well. And this one is a 3x3 Rubik's Cube a modification though, a mod of a normal 3x3 one like this one. They turned from colors into shapes though. And oh yeah, before I kept showing, let me put the pieces on this one back on. or or I believe it. Well, I almost finished putting the pieces. I mean, this the this corner and the corner and the edge on this Rubik's cube though. Let's see. Oh yeah, but I bet don't touch it that much though, because the pieces will fall off eventually. But so let's keep going. and as I said about this one, that um, I think the layers need to be tightened more, though that this does not keep making pop all the time, or keep popping all the time. And also the layers on the 2x2 Rubik's cube need to be turned. I mean, need to be lined up, but they need to be lined up right though. And and also and and finally, here's the last and powerful Rubik's cube. This is a weird shape one, which just the it combines the shapes on the from the a pyramids and a 2x2 Rubik's cube puzzles together though, in to get this powerful puzzle, which it has almost so many pieces though. But and also guys, can you tell me the specific, I mean, no, can you tell me a name about this puzzle in the comments, please? And and also I'm gonna not tell why last part I called this 2x2 paramorphics a Shengshou one. I mean, I'm gonna say why I I said that I said that this 2x2 paramorphics is a Shengshou one. And let me see why. Because here's the box though, and I think the Chengshou packagings have usually Chinese letters, so I think that's why it's is this is the Chengshou box, and that's why I told this one was a Chengshou one. And also the reason why I made these two parts about my huge, I know, about my updated Rubik's cube and puzzle collection is because I wanna keep getting more subscribers on my Santiago Restrepo channel though, yay. and And so yeah guys, I think that's about it. So thank you all of you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe to Santiago Restrepo, and turn on my post notifications, and write a comment below. Um so this should be so, oh yeah, last video and this video are gonna named both of them are gonna be named free like video about my updated Rubik's cube and puzzle collection. Though I mean my my cube and or puzzle collection. Though last video I'm gonna name it uh, mm, free like video uh, my updated collection, my updated cube or puzzle collection part 1, and this video is gonna be named updated, I know, oh yeah, free like video about I know, free like video uh my updated cube or puzzle collection part 2. And so yeah, thank you all of you for watching, and bye. And I wanna these two videos get exploded with a ton of likes that are as big as this cube or puzzle collection. So yeah.